Hi, this is Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. The phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Toyota Yaris YR hatch, stock reference number 54753. The shape runs from the 8th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2019. There's a 2NZ 1.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2NZ 1.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right front 14-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Left rear door has 2 small dents. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate's got a 1 minor dent. Tidy rear bumper cover. 14-inch right rear steel rim with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, light scratches. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.